Hi there, it's raining smartwatches and today we have the newly launched Zebronics ZebFit4220CH. Now this one just blew me away. First, you can answer and make calls directly from your watch, and secondly, it's priced at just $3,199. I'm so sure there's no smartwatch currently that we can get with the calling feature around this price. And of course, it also has all the other features that we see in most other smartwatches. Let's spice it up a little. I'll be doing a giveaway, so make sure you watch this video till the end to know how you can win it. We'll start with an unboxing, followed by a full review. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. The handle name is Mr. Tech Singh. Alright, let's straight jump into the unboxing. So here is the retail packaging of the Zebronics ZebFit4220CH. We have two units with us. We'll have a closer look at the packaging. So the retail packaging has the image of a round watch. You have the Zebronics branding on the top. Towards the back, you can see the list of the features: blood pressure, SpO2, IP67, full touch color display, customizable watch face, heart rate tracking, round display, 7 sports modes, and call function via Bluetooth. Now this is available in 3 colors: black, grey and silver. This is the grey color and the other one is black. Okay, so let's open the silver one first. On the side here, you can see some more list of features. On the other side, it says call function, which means it comes with a built-in speaker and microphone, so calls can be answered directly on the watch. Wow, that's great. So let's unbox it. Wow. Okay. Wow, that's really impressive. Let's keep this aside for a moment. Then you have a charging cable and finally a user manual in English. Okay. Now I actually can't resist, so let's open the black one as well. We'll have a look at that as well. Okay. Ooh, lovely deep black. Nice. And of course, inside we get the same charging cable and the same user manual. So here are both the devices and they look absolutely amazing. Especially the build quality. The matte black on the black variant completely stands out. The frame is made of metal and the matte finish looks very premium. Check out the ridges on the dial, they really stand out. There are 2 buttons on the side. The top one wakes the display or to go back, while the bottom button is to access the apps. The back is made of plastic and houses all the sensors and the charging terminal. The charger is magnetic, which aligns as you bring it closer and starts charging. Here on the side is a speaker and microphone to make and receive phone calls. The straps are made of soft silicone material and have a buckle design. They can be swapped with any 22mm third-party bands, which is really convenient. Also, the fit is really nice and provides a very good grip on your wrist. Now, though the watch weighs 60 grams, it actually feels like you're wearing something solid and that premium feel that lacks with plastic built watches. If I had to rate the build quality and fit, I'd say it's a 10 on 10, especially considering its price. Coming to the display, so it has a 1.3-inch TFT LCD display with a resolution of 240 by 240 pixels. The colors look quite good, not the most vivid but still passable. What's really good is the brightness. It gets bright enough to see outdoors. Also, the brightness can be adjusted as per your preference. The interface is really fluid and feels like you can actually touch the screen. Moving to the watch, it comes with Bluetooth 5.0 support and can pair with both Android and iPhone. You have to download the ZebFit 20 series app from the Play Store or the App Store, log in and follow the pairing process. Now once paired, you can browse through the interface and use all the apps like you would on any smartwatch. But there's one small step to enable calling. As you keep swiping on, it will say turn on Bluetooth and pair with your phone. Go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and you'll see ZebFit4220CH. Click to pair. Now you can see we have 2 ZebFit4220CH options. If we go on our phone, we can now see the recent call option, dial pad and the contacts, which means your watch is now ready to receive and make calls. Now when you have an incoming call, the watch also rings, which is great when your phone is away as in it should be in the same room. Remember, if your phone is silent, the watch won't ring either. You have an option to reject the call and even answer the call. So now you can talk directly using your watch. In fact, you can even control the watch speaker volume from it. Here's a call demo. Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
So I'm well, but I'm using a smartwatch to talk to you. How does it sound?
Sounds pretty cool.
So I'm actually using a smartwatch to use to make phone calls. I thought I'll just check. Can you hear me clearly?
I can hear it loud and clear. I mean,
Surprisingly, even you sound really loud and clear. Wow, that's
this watch
nice.
is nice.
That's good. Shall I catch you later? Adios. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
So the call quality was pretty good indoors. The opposite person had no problem hearing me and vice versa. Also, you can make calls from your watch without reaching out for your phone. Just go to the dialer or contacts and click dial. Very cool. By the way, you can also play music on your watch speaker from your phone. The audio quality obviously won't be the best, but yes, it works for casual use. Rest, the watch is packed with features: heart rate sensor, blood pressure and SpO2 to keep a tab on your health. The heart rate sensor is very accurate. The SpO2 and blood pressure works, but I won't recommend it you totally rely on it. Just use it for reference. The pedometer app to track your steps worked really well. Music app to control music that is playing on your phone. Then there's a camera shutter app to take pictures remotely from your watch. Alarms, stopwatch, countdown, and also a really handy theater mode where it will turn down the brightness and disable the vibration, more like do not disturb. Also would like to mention again that the interface has seen a huge improvement from its predecessor. It's the smoothest I've seen on any Zebronics watch. Really good and easy to use. Well done, Zebi. The watch comes with just 7 workout modes, which might seem less if you compared it to others, but then this ain't for fitness enthusiasts. However, it has all the basic ones like walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball and football, which will suffice for most average users. Coming to the ZebFit app, it collects all your data in one place: steps, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen and workouts. Then coming to watch faces, we get 4 pre-installed ones. Further down, there's discover more dials. You can see a lot more watch faces that you can download from here. If you want to custom set a picture from your gallery, click on edit. You can choose text color and even the position of the clock. You can select a picture of your choice, simple and fun. Rest in notifications, you can choose from which app you want notifications and from which apps you don't. Set alarms, camera shutter, favorite contacts for quick calls. In others, you have drink water reminder, weather and more. Overall, I can say it's a complete app, but it lacks the access to connect to other third-party apps like Strava. Coming to the battery, so the ZebFit 4220CH comes with 220 mAh battery and should last about 5 to 6 days, which isn't great, but considering it gets bright enough and with phone calling feature on it, I'll take it. It takes about just 1.5 hours to charge from 0 to 100%. Okay, so if I had to nitpick the cons, there's no built-in GPS, there's no always-on display, but then for the price, we're already getting more than our money's worth. And trust me, this one is a looker. Round watch fans are just gonna love it. And now with the phone calling feature built in, you can't ask for more. You can buy this for just 3,199 starting today, and it's available in 3 colors: black, white and grey. By the way, this is just an introductory price for 3-4 days, so I insist you grab one ASAP. I'll leave the links below in the description, you should definitely check it out. Alright, coming to the giveaway. 4 simple steps, the usual ones. First, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Singh. Follow my Twitter handle, Mr. Singh. Like the Zebfit4220CH post, and fourth, retweet the Zebfit4220CH post. One winner will be announced when the like and retweets cross 1000. Trust me, that's one easy target to reach. So subscribe, follow, like and retweet. Share with your friends and family so we can reach that target very soon. Don't miss any step or your vote won't be counted. Alright guys, this was it. If there are any questions, feedback or even complaints, mention it down in the comments. All are welcome. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.